A meeting on the government's plans regarding COVID-19 vaccine procurement has just concluded. PTV's Mela Lesmoras will give us the latest update from Malacanang. Mela?
Yes, Joey. President Rodrigo Duterte has just concluded his weekly public address on the government's COVID-19 response, together with some members of the IATF. In his speech, the chief executive explained the reality that the Philippines has to compete with other nations in procuring COVID-19 vaccines. While the countries that host the manufacturers have an advantage, he notes that the Philippines' biggest disadvantage, on the other hand, is that we are a third world country. Despite this, President Duterte asked the public to keep their faith in the government and to trust the authorities, most especially our vaccine czar, Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. Aside from President Duterte, Secretary Galvez as well as Finance Secretary Carlos Dominguez also shared latest developments on the vaccine procurement of the government. Galvez said the government has signed term sheets with some manufacturers and expected to acquire 146 to 148 million vaccine doses. This is on top of more than 40 million doses that we will be getting from COVAX facility of the World Health Organization. Galvez added the government is expecting 3 million doses this coming February, of which 170,000 doses to go immediately to healthcare workers. On top of everything that has been discussed, President Duterte kept on reminding the public that while the vaccine rollout is now in sight, health and safety standards must still be strictly observed in order to protect everyone from the virus. And that's the latest. Mela Lesmoras for the Nation.